I'm back. I'm in front of a camera. And she's back too. Going to All Jap Day today. So this is the first footage I've taken in years. I've been busy working my ass off and not getting a haircut and all that sort of stuff. So, yeah, here I am. Hi. That one, not a lot of mods have been done to it. Actually, no mods have been done to it. I painted the bonnet scoop. I got new wheels for the front because I got run off the road. But yeah, let's go to All Jap Day. Alright, here we are. All Jap Day. Woo. Let's go around and have a look at some of the fun cars. The fun cars. I really like FC, so I would love this thing. This is the model RX-7 that I want. Oh, mile per hour. Bet it's dragged. That looks cool. Oh yeah, the K-van, the Suzuki Carry. Here we got the 180. I'd almost own one of those, except I wouldn't because I already got a Skyline. These are the Figaros. Oh, it's even still got the Shuckin' sticker on it. That one's got Pikachu in it. And it's for sale. Should I buy it? Oh, look at that one.
Oh, that's cute.
That used to live around the corner from me, but it's been modified a lot since then. That'll be a fast car. I'd hate to race that. Look, all the K trucks are arriving. It's the time of the K. Another Figaro.
This one was for sale.
You like the blue? You like the blue?
Yeah, the seats are in better condition.
Oh. This is my sort of
Oh really? From Japan, yeah, so there's no stack.
No, with the Webers. I think they're Webers. They might be DCOE. And then you got the Keto with the 4K.
With the mirrors up real high.
Yeah, they're guard mounted, fender mounted mirrors. Oh, and an S15 in convertible, which is extremely rare. There was only like 2,000 of these made or something like that. And then the Crown. This is like Jesse's one, except modified. And Brendan Slattery's car. This is like a TikTok hero, this thing. The VSKFs. A reasonably stock interior. I love it. People hate those ones. I actually like RX-8s. I think they look good. I'd pick you up, but I can't. Oh, wait, come this way. The RX-7. Love that. Love a Celica. Oh, this is really, really cool. It's even got a rotary in it. Yeah, it's got a Mazda RX-7 motor in it. And this is just so fucking neat. And more wheels like what I've got. Like I said, you'll probably end up seeing a lot of them. This is a 120Y. This is the same car that Baden was talking about, except this one's been done up. Oh, that's one of the old Pulsars. I think they're rear-wheel drive. Anyway, there was a car that I was trying to get us to.
It's crazy.
These Jimneys are pretty cool. I'd own one.
It's a bit big for you, isn't it?
A little, but
That's
it is
more
still
like
a bit more of a...
More like a me.
Yeah.
More like a me car.
Oh, there was only a handful of these in the country, I think.
There'll be a few. It's pretty good though. It's pretty good. Totally one.
And then another one. This one's for sale. There you go. For sale. This one's actually in better condition, I think. Oh yes, these are the cars that I was trying to get us towards.
You know, I thought so, because I looked at it and I was like, oh.
So these are a Toyota Century. Now, I'm surprised that there's even two of them here, but these had Toyota's only V12 in them. People pulled the V12 out of this and put it in a Supra, and it became like a famous like 300k an hour car, driven by a guy named Smokey Nagata.
It's a big car.
Oh yes, these are like president cars. This is what the president of Japan rolls around in, is one of these. And they came with a V8 and a V12. And like, look, you should see in the back here, they've like full electric controls in the back for the person.
Oh, they've got little boss coffees.
Yeah.
Oh, cute little displays.
Oh, this is a V12 one. It's got the V12 badge. Oh, so there's the other one. So, but yeah, this is what the president of Japan rolls around in. One of these. Or actually, there's a newer one now too. But they didn't put the V12 in it. They changed back to a V8. There's a better look. They've even got like a phone in it and everything. They've been kind enough to leave the windows down. But yeah, like they're full electric curtains and everything like that. Also fender mirrors. And then a crown. And this one is owned by Anika. That other meet that I'm going to with the RX-7s, that's hers, so 7 day. So, and she works for Yokohama. So she's got part of the livery on the, but I want the full livery on my car, so. And that's cool. One of the first gen RB20s in a HR31 Passage, I think it is. Not entirely sure. I was never big on the 31s. And this has a V8 in it instead of the normal motor. And that has a JZ instead of the normal motor. That one came out of like well, with the Toyota badge, I'm assuming it's probably out of a Toyota Sora. And also out of a Toyota Sora, just with a different motor. But they came, well, not this one, the 1JZ, so this is a 2JZ. The 1JZ came factory in the Japanese JZX ones, which they didn't have here. Oh, okay. Oh, I've missed all of those cars. Damn. Yeah. I've just been so focused on what's here. And we have a Toyota Corolla KE30.
Yeah.
I love this thing. And then a WRX. Hey mum, this is what it's supposed to look like when you don't get reversed into. It's like a really neat intercooler in there too. I still got the original Rego stickers, like one of the last ones. Oh, John, yeah, RX-7. Oh no, RX-7. WRX. You'll enjoy that. The Corolla. Sorry, Sylvia, you're not important, but AE111, 20 valve blacktop, This is the car everyone rips the motor out of, ruins the entire car because these are amazing cars, and then puts them into like AE86s and stuff like that. Now I'm guilty of this. I bought a 20 valve blacktop when I was a kid out of a cut up AE111 like this, and they cut it like right here. So I had like the steering wheel, the dash, everything like that, and then everything else was cut out. These are really cool too.
Again, a bit big for you.
A bit big for me. I wouldn't actually own one, but these had a Mitsubishi Evo motor in them and the same sort of sports all-wheel drive. That's why they're really wide in the rear. And these were like a born-bred rally SUV crossover thing. And this is also a car people rip the motors out of to stick in Corollas. Poor bastard. I love the beams. And then we have an AE111, which is the spicy rear-wheel drive Corolla of my era. But the other thing is the motor's in the back there. So instead of in the front, it's in the back. Back to the 80s. He's got to stick it back to the 80s. I love this thing. It's really clean too. I found one for sale probably a few years ago, and I didn't buy it because I thought they wanted too much, and I'm kind of kicking myself because at $2,000 it would have been cheap. And then the RA63, I think it is, might be a TA. I'm not entirely sure with Celicas. They've never really been my my thing. I preferred the Celica Supra, so the MA65. Alright.
Instead of the 180 front end.
They're all nervous about being crossing in front of the camera, but like, there's too many people here to worry about that. I'm certainly not. That's pretty. The RX3. Oh, there's a Datsun. I wonder if that's carbon fibre. Carbon fibre? That's probably a little more like the other one. It's not in purple.
No, his wasn't so close to the ground.
Same sort of big wheels.
Yeah, except he had white on them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the interior is not full of leather. This is the car. Remember when I was saying about that old lady that had that 808 wagon? Mm-hmm. This is the sedan version of it, and she wanted $30,000 for it without the rotor in it, and it was like in ratty condition. Ooh, Corolla. Keto. This one's nice. I love this one. Yeah. This is the same model but different series. So I had instead of these big square headlight holes, so he's had a conversion done. I had the small, or like the small ones, and I had the sedan or the coupe, and this is a hatch.
Okay.
And I prefer the back of the coupe. Even though it's longer, it looks, I think, better. But I still really like this one. It's really well done. And then the Evo. So the running gear in one of these, this one here exactly, is in that four-wheel drive over there that we're talking about.
Yeah.
And like, this is a race car. So they just stuck it in there. Stock looking R34 GTT, possibly. Oh, my car's getting a bit of attention. I like that, yeah. There's a crowd going around it. 14. Datsun.
Oh, yeah. Front screen.
This is the earlier RX-7s. I actually don't mind these, but I don't think I could ever own one because they're really small and I'm really big.
You'd be able to fit. You'd be a bit tight, but
Yeah, I'd be a bit tighter. I couldn't daily drive it. I got to lose 40 kilos before I could do that. Then we got a lifted Datsun truck.
And then just start setting past my mate's place.
And then Ford, or one of the ones that were over there with the RB20 in it. I'm still waiting until we find a Brumby, because I know there's one here.
maybe.
Oh, there's a Brumby. This one's had an engine swap and everything on it. Did yours have the pop tops? No.
It didn't have pop tops, but it did have the original paint with the Brumbies on it and everything.
I think that was probably like a dealer special, but because I've never found one quite the same.
Of mine.
Yeah,
Did you even see mine?
I saw a photo,
Yeah.
but I never found like another one. So I think that was like a dealer special
Yeah.
decal.
That was so cute.
But yeah, that's
I
cool.
still have all of the Brumbies that my grandmother, my great grandmother had as
What?
ornaments in there. They're in my trunk.
Nice. I can't believe my car's getting it. I mean, it fits in with the crowd, I guess. Bit of a weird Corolla. Nobody knows what to look at.
You want to get one?
Yeah. Didn't know I was lost. Yeah, that was that Datsun you pointed before. I've never seen one before.
What?
One of them. This is just like an early,
I like
Early-
this Toyota.
yeah, it's a Toyota Hilux.
Yeah.
It's like one of the early ones, like a 30 or something like that.
Put it on my money.
Engine
Oops, sorry. And this is a JZX110. A lot of people don't like him. This is one of Jesse's favourite cars. And then an R32, you know this one. It looks good because it has the grille in it instead of an open slot. Autech S13 for sale.
Call Ashley.
Paul Ashley.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not really big on the bike guy kind of thing, but these are kind of cool. They're all dressed up and everything. Sort of era correct. You sat in the box seat. And then the Supra boys. Supra! Is that a Supra? And then a JZX100, which is what Jesse owns. Although that's the trim up model from his. It's actually really nice. Those are the wheels he wants too, except he wants them in the grey, like this one. So he wants all four of them like that. Like,
Just paint them.
yeah, that chocolatey sort of brown.
Yeah.
But Supras, that's a Supra too. That's gonna, me saying that's gonna piss off a lot of people, but that is a Supra. Look, Toyota went into bed with BMW, and it's BMW DNA, but it's still Supra. It's better to be a Supra part DNA of BMW than no Supra at all. Shut up. And then this is a Supra too. So this was the first Celica Supra. This is the model up sort of from my Celica, and they had the bigger motor in it and everything like that, and this was supposed to be a sports level, but around the 80s they split them into two different cars, so the Celica and the Supra. So this is a Celica Supra. MA 45 or something like that. Yeah, I'd assume all the Supra boys came together because they're all parked up next to each other. Now this is also going to hurt some people's feelings, but I've never really been a Supra person. I always preferred the Chasers and stuff like that. Came with the same motor. I prefer a Ristos even. Oh, that one's got a V8 in it. Holy shit, that's cool. That is actually cool. It's not turbocharged, but still, that's cool. Love that. Brilliant. Lovely. More Supra. Carina. Oh no, that's a Sylvia. What is that? Wait, yeah, we're going over. Is that an S11? That is fucking cool. Please don't ban me, but that is genuinely freaking awesome. Oh my god. Look at that. Genuinely amazing. We're a fan of Moon Eyes. We have the Chaser. We have the Cressida. That is a really nice paint job. That is like a really nice metallic in that. And with the two-tone, I think that looks fucking cool. And then we got another one. And these GTOs are fucking rare. 30. Sorry, John, but 30. Nah, 33s are alright. 33s are alright. I'm just stirring up my workmate because 33s are his favourite. So, and I got a 32, so I got to G him up. He said my car wasn't his favourite one. There's a Subaru. Subaru. SR20 and a Datsun. Crazy. Another 33. And an SR and a Sylvia. We didn't see that coming. Couple of neat RX-7s. Those ones, they're RX-8s. So that looks like an RX-8 owner group has gotten together and finally made it anywhere. Because they usually can't start. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's a Mazda MX. Oh no, there's an RX-8. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 RX-8s made it somewhere. I actually really do like the RX-8s. I would own one. The problem is the only ones that come up for sale are really cheap because they don't start because they're broken down. That's an 808 wagon, that one there. Or a Mazda RX-3 wagon. And another Crown. And the Athlete. The same, that's Jesse's one, except this one's much nicer than Jesse's.
Rude.
No, it's true. Look. So this one still has the electric curtains. I'm pretty sure this one also is a slight trim up above his. It's also got the sunroof, I think.
I need to try and climb under it.
Yeah, well, this one's probably on airbags. So with how low it is, it's probably on airbags, so it'll up. But he's got all the junction produce stuff, which is like super expensive. And we got the Datsun 240 guys. Oh, that's a 260, but we have a European car coming in here thinking it's okay.
Stop.
Fuck you, Merkel. They can look, they just have to park outside. Look at this. It's always the P platers in the back.
Oh my god.
ZS, so this has the V8 in it. There's another Brumby.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
Shit.
Like, yeah, well, she saw mine and she's like, "Oh my god, I love it! I want one." And then her daddy, because she's a daddy's girl, she got one. Is that recording?
Yeah.
Lauren.
Don't worry, I can turn the audio off.
Thank you.
I'm computer literate enough to know how to turn an audio track off.
No, I'm gonna.
So that's a Sora. So that's what I prefer over a Supra.
There's another guy selling it. Who are you going to buy it on? Like the guy that's saying it's actually not one. It's not one contract. Yeah, there's a base coat, an intercoat,
Yeah.
and a clear.
Cubes! I found the cube section. Found the cube section. Oh, I've got to make my way to the cube section.
We are. We're almost there.
We're almost there. Oh my god, there's a cube section.
Alright, might as well just cut over. Come on.
Come on. Cubes. I don't know why. I love
Maybe-
cubes. I think
maybe
they're the
you'll see
greatest.
ones for sale.
I think they're the greatest. Oh, that's a Serena. They're fucking rare as shit too. Or what do they say? Rare as rocking horse shit. That one is one that lives near us.
The blue one?
Yeah. Sad boy hours. See, I really like these ones. And they're like a, what, a K13 or something like that. Look at that one. That's so cool.
I was like, I would buy
That guy came into my work the other day. He's the guy that I was like cube to in the Corolla.
Oh.
And he was like,
Yeah.
oh, I saw your Corolla, that was really cool. Yeah, he came into work, so
Lego! Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
covering his battery. So cool. Look at the tiny little wheels. He's a tall dude too. Like, he's got to be like 6'5". He towers over me, and he drives a cube. I think that makes everything all that much better.
I mean, there's enough space for it, so.
A Datsun logo on the grill. We got an FTO and an 86. Oh, sorry, BRZ.
Yeah. Good talking.
350Z. Pretty sure I've seen this one around. Another Datsun.
Yay!
Yeah, we're talking. I love these things. Look at the cool little wheels. We got bed liner in the back though. I don't know. So little wing. I can't believe they make these things wings. Like, that's awesome. I love that. City. I'd love one of these with a City Turbo with the big flares on it. It's got like the angry eyes. There's that clean as fuck, almost stock 8.6. Yeah. Oh, and it's got the maroon interior too. This is an import, I think. Either he's done a really good job converting it, because in Australia we didn't get this nice interior in it. This looks like it might be a European car, maybe Ireland or something like that. He's got the stock wheels on it. Oh, this is fucking beautiful. He's got Watsons in the back. Oh, this makes me happy. got a me aunt. Now is this? Oh, it is RA55. So this is another Celica Supra. Or I think RA. Here we go. RA55. This would have been one of the last because they had the cooler motors in them.
Make sure you get one that's small enough that you can fit down a smartphone.
Oh, this
Yep, it's good. Fantastic when you have a bit of wide.
this car's in the RA40 owners group, I think. Oh, this is Vinny's car. Vinny Novak. Hey, buddy. Where's your other one? The white one? I know you imported this. I forgot about this. That's fucking cool.
See, there's your model. Yeah, that's the exact same.
We got another one. Oh, just another RA40. Yeah, mine had those headlights, but the coupe.
I don't know, maybe I'll cheat up after this.
Oh! So those are a Toyota Corolla that someone stuck a Toyota Orion motor in, which made like 4 times the power, and they're a big like 3.5 litre V6 in them, and they're absolutely insane. They're called the Blade Master 2G RFE. So this is, you know, Jesse's Crown?
Yeah.
That motor in a Corolla.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a jacked up, like it is an absolute cracked out Toyota Corolla. When I was telling people about these things, they were just like, "There's no way Toyota actually did this." And I'm like, Toyota Japan did so much more shit than anywhere else in the world. Yep. Yeah, Toyota Orion motor.
Yeah, it's Orion motor.
Fucking absolutely insane.
Yeah. Yeah, my mate's got one.
Fucking insane.
Not that they handle great, but it's
Talks to you.
you know, it's just a front wheel drive.
Yeah.
Front wheel drive, yeah. You know, it's just like a Corolla with a, you know, slightly better handling, but it's
Cracked out Toyota
fast.
Corolla.
Yeah, just don't go fast.
Another Corolla. Oh, he's done the same swap. K10. Oh, there you are.
Princess.
I literally just saw your car and I'm like, I'm gonna get moving, and then certainly will. Thanks, Dan. Looks fine to me, officer. Oh, ITBs. The Recaros. The Meshies. Definitely not an illegal cage. The wing. Oh, the wing. It's all moulded in. It's all pretty. It's like 184 horsepower on pump, like naturally aspirated, and then like 200 on E85. Someone else having a car meet. Hi there. Car meet, Jade. This is the first Celica Supra that I ever owned, was one of these in this colour, actually. It also had this wing on it. Does this one have the digital dash? I can't see. I'm not going to put myself in there. I'm not that kind of an arsehole. But this Supra here is like that Celica over there with the bigger motor and like the cooler flares and the bigger bars and all that sort of stuff. So you notice how that one hasn't got big flares on it and there's no wing, and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking running.
And aside from the motor, that's what defined them.
I'm not sure about these ones.
Oh, CRX. Oh, a lot of CRXs. I didn't know people still modded that. Oh, that's got Volt crystals on it. I don't know why I'm so excited about that, but that's like the old Sex Spec days. Oh, the whole car is old Sex Spec days. That's fucking awesome. Leather, snakeskin leather interior, with the cool wheel, the Volt crystals. That one's nice. Oh, that's the new 8.6. This one here. Oh, it was so unassuming. Yeah, Porsche Aston Martin. Yeah, yeah. They had sex and it's all over now.
And then now it sounds bad.
But it's got a 2.5 litre at least. So remember when I was saying that I wouldn't mind one of those new 8.6s? This is it. Oh, sorry, it's a BRZ. There's that 8.6 leaving. Holy Jesus Christ. This is another kind of cool old car. Was it a Crown? And they've modified the shit out of it. Also awesome. We got our SR20 in the Pulsar. I don't even know what you are. What are you? Turbo motor though. Oh, a Sunny. There weren't too many of those getting around when I was growing up. I'm not sure that they were entirely popular back in the day.
Yeah, I know. Are they drawn? No, these ones are white.
And then we got the RA40, RA40, TA20 group.
That's the reason. Yeah, no.
Can't remember the dude. Know his name, can't remember the dude. Oh, is that a Cosmo? Holy shit. That is a Cosmo. One of the earliest rotary motors was in this thing.
Oh, you have someone that...
I haven't seen
Yeah.
Big fat 20B.
Oh, this bad boy's mags. Look at that. This fucking magazines.
Another rotary. So these were only in Australia. Australia had a bunch of turbos left over. They had a few of these. They made 200 of them. So they just came to be in Australia. We're the only ones with them, which is weird. It's usually the other way around. We're usually the only ones without something. And we're in Food Valley, I think. There's a coffee place over there. Do you want a coffee? And then this looks like a contender to equal OMG Miata. Look at that. It's got Lexan in all his windows. Pretty cool. And then, oh, this was done up by K-Works. They had the rear flares done. This is another Corolla, an AE82. This is like my old one, and sort of like Jesse's one. Jesse's is a hatch, but this was like, yeah, full build, like ground up resto sort of thing. fucking phenomenal work. UZ Zora. Okay. I know Alexi just did a video about Itachi cars, but yikes. Okay, I have no idea how, but I think we're in Itachi town. Like that one's a Pokemon one with Jessie and all that, which is, yep. And then we have another one. Three here. I'm surprised we even got 3. I've honestly considered doing this to one of my cars. This wing is really cool, actually. Only one side's wrapped. Man's just doing his leads. Oh, now that's cool. Love a Starion. With the chin lip. Oh, it's Glant, sorry, Glant. Alright, and this is the other cool one. Looks like it's done with authentic Texas, so it's like a cell shaded. I really like that, but yeah, it's cool shit. And another R32. This one's GTR, looking fucking pretty. And that's a big fucking turbo. Scared of that. It's a really clean 8.6. I had to find a fit somewhere. There had to be at least one fit. Oh, 8.6. 8.6, 8.6.
Just rated as well.
This is the kind of lazy that I aspire to be. I want gas struts on all mine. I don't want to have to put a bonnet prop up. That looks fucking mint in there. And this is the motor I wanted to put in my Celica Supra, but I never got round to it. This is fucking cool. And then another 8.6. Ketora. I have a question. Who let the micro guys in here? Actually, that one looks really cool, but nothing like a couple of K13s. Definitely one of them's turboed. That sounds wild. Sounds throaty. No, can't show these cars. Legally speaking, this is a Jap meet, not a Euro DM fucking arsehole. There we go, Mirage. I like Mirage. Evos, Datsuns, Hatchirok. It's Irish spec for Diffin. It's Irish spec for Diffin. That's what the lads call drifting in Ireland. Doing circles, doing doughies. Oh, he's Irish. That makes a lot of sense. Oh, convertible RX-7 FC. FC.
Genuinely upset.
The business side, I wanted to keep it, but we couldn't.
We have money in that sense.
Y34. Corolla. Sorry. MR2. Or as TikTok says, Mr. 2. Oh, this is nice. Really nice condition. 370. Who do I know? No, I don't know. Figaro. Bad condition Figaro. Honda Kanjo Zuko. You know what's really cool though? And you're about to see this, I'm about to swing it around, but this is one of my favourite cars in the entire world.
This is the Mazda version.
Yes, this is a Mazda Familia. So this is like your 323 Estina on crack. Not even kidding. So they did have a sedan that looks like your 323 Estina.
Estina,
Yep.
yeah.
Oh, these ones are a little earlier. However, these were a hatchback, all-wheel drive, turbocharged version of your motor. Full-time four-wheel drive. These are cool. These are really up there as one of my favourite cars. And then we have the Stancer Subarus, as we do. And then, hang on. Pink Hachirok with Kirby. Whatever. Pink. Paint on this is actually really nice. Carbon fibre lip. Oh, there's one of those new 86s. Oh, it's another BRZ. Same car. Star Sharks. Love a Star Shark. Another Hachirok. And an older Datsun. And then like a K10 Corolla. And this is an odd one. This is like the Chrysler Galant, which was a Mitsubishi as well. And then Beat. It's got the Amuse number plate, so I wonder if it's a Muse mod one. Doesn't look like it. But I always think of Michael Jackson when I see one of these, because it's a beat. So you gotta beat it, just beat it, beat it. 34. There's 14. So wog with his dinner plate wheels. That was the nickname for him back in the day, the dinner plates. That is a really nice 32. Really nice 32. I love that. I want it. I already got one, but oh, this one's definitely on airbags. There's no way you'd be able to drive that around like that. And they haven't been relevant forever. LMFAO. And then another Crown. And then another Crown. VIP'd out. Ooh, with his pre-knot. And then we've got a JZX 71. Oh, and then a Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo.
What's going on?
Scooby-Doo, where are you?
No, Eli, mate. No, it's the one with the thing.
And there's like a Cedric over there. But I think RT104 Corona. RT104 all day. MX Uwu. Alright, so that's it. That's all Jep Day. So I'm headed home now, and I'll probably go and do some drift footage otherwise. Yeah, if you enjoyed it, subscribe to see more content like this. Peace.